Fela volume. Ya ke rupi. The focus.
Alabaten.
Okay. Can you put something for me? So remember ya.
Oraga yung Khatman.
Pau ko tete pera ko strate.
Frustrating. Pau ko tete. Kopela challenge.
Ubafa forgiveness. Wow, kopela forgiveness.
Yeah, bawang ko tete sorry.
Serious.
Ke misunderstanding.
Usa ula makawaya ka wena.
Serious, ke misunderstanding.
Pare, Wi-Fi. Au kuna hali wena.
Like how can Scott already the attitude. How can I? So, eh?
Decided or wasare lavana.
Yeah, peace my chance.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So qolisile uScott Maphuma ngemva kokuthi abantu bacomplain ukuthi ne-attitude aqedze lapha kuma-podcast asitshele ukuthi yena he's where he is because of himself and not people. Yena kanqengi bantu yena he doesn't live for people. Ekhuluma isigaxa nje lesiningi abantu bavele babona ukuthi hayi lo mfana lona ngazuthi akaphilanga kahle engqondweni athi makaperform abantu bangasamnaki bamshaya ngasini bamnika the moments of silence. Uqolisile ke amapholisa nakhona ngimapholisa futhi le nto ukuthi azacolisa and nokucolisa kakhona people are saying ukuthi it's not sincere nje ucolisa kakhona kuhamba ne-pride and nami ngithi abangiyibuka le video I was like man you can do better man. Ungaxolisa ngcono man, ucolisa ngazuthi akafuni ucolisa ngazuthi okay uyaxolisa but akafuni kubonakala ngazuthi vele unqengile uyabo le nto le nje. So people are saying ukuthi usinyanyise even worse njengokuthi axolise because ngabe uthulile uma ufuna uqolisa akaqolise kahle sincerely aqolisa akhombise ukuthi vele uyayimina lento and it comes from the heart hayi ngale ndlela aqolisa ngakhona ibo Scott man ungenta ngcono man. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video saying hey.